Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever been in the mood to have some Tostones or some Haitian Banan Peze fried plantains? Well, it's really not too much involved in it, so if you're willing to try, let's try it. We're going to go ahead and mix 1 tablespoon of salt in there, and we're going to stir it. I'm just going to use the knife to stir it. And it's going to sit there and dissolve somewhat. And we're not going to use that water for anything but to just dip on the second stage. We'll just get it prepared now. So now we're also going to need either a nice little gadget. They call it a Peze in Creole. Or you can use the old-fashioned system if you don't have one. You can use like your coffee mug and push down on a plate. So that's your other option. We got about 8 pieces, decent size. Alright, when you hear the oil making that noise, it's warm. I'm going to bring it down just a notch. This is the first fry. And just for me to get things ready, I'm going to put some paper in here. So it can absorb some of the oil when I take it out. And this is optional, but it's just what I do. And this container, Dollar Tree, it'll keep it warm because, you know, it closes so it'll still be warm. This is a splash fry, by the way, because I am scared of getting, splashed by the oil. Barely drop. Again, let's be ready.